Hey guys! Today in this video you are going to learn, what are identifiers, what are variables? Python identifiers. A Python identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, model, or other object. A Python identifier starts with a letter A to Z or A to Z and underscore followed by 0 or more letters, underscores, and digits, 0 to 9. Python does not allow punctuations characters such as @ $, and % within identifiers. Python is case-sensitive programming language. Class name starts with uppercase letter and all other identifiers with a lowercase letter only. Reserved words in Python. The following list shows the reserved words in Python. These words may not to be used as constant or variable or any other identifier's names. Keywords contain lowercase letters only. And, not, global, def, in, while, or, break, return, if, else, is, for, del, class, continue, import, elif. Variables. Variables are reserved memory locations to store values. When you create a variable you reserve some space in memory. Based on the data type of a variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decide what can be stored in the reserved memory. By assigning different data types to variables, you can store integers, decimals, or characters in these variables. So, that's it for this video and see you guys in part 2 of this video, and make sure you like this video and comment down your thought and problems you found on this video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.